Assalamualaikum grade 6 online with computers. Now we are going to start chapter number 5 MS PowerPoint 2010, and after reading this chapter students will be able to discuss some important points related to MS PowerPoint. First one is create a blank presentation using 3 style. Insert shape effects, insert different shape style, insert clip art, resize and rotate images, edit and apply effects to clip art, insert tables, add bullets and numbers. Our first topic is introduction. First question is, what is MS PowerPoint? Answer: MS PowerPoint is a presentation software and it is part of MS Office packages. It allows you to create presentation with full support of multimedia elements. This is the definition of MS PowerPoint. These are some advantages of MS PowerPoint. First one is you can view your presentation at any place. You can view your presentation on monitor or LCD projector. You can print copies of your slides and give it to your audience. You can edit your presentation even minutes before you leave presentation. Now we are going to learn how can we start MS PowerPoint. To start MS PowerPoint, follow the given step. First one is click start button, click all program, click MS Office and select MS PowerPoint. There are 3 different ways to create a new presentation. First one is creating a blank presentation. To create a blank presentation, click File tab. On the ribbon, a list of options appears. Click New option. Click Blank Presentation. After this, click Create. A new blank presentation will appear on the computer screen like this. This is a blank presentation. Second way, creating a presentation by using installed templates. To create a template presentation, follow the given step. First one is click recent templates or sample templates on the middle pane in this figure, like recent template or sample template. Click recent template or sample template to create a presentation by using installed templates. After selecting the templates, this page will appear on the computer screen. Select the template you want to use for your presentation. Click Create. Your new presentation will appear. Third way to create a presentation by using installed themes. To create a presentation by using install theme, follow the given step. First one is click themes option in the new presentation dialog box. Theme option. Click themes option. When you click this button, a list of themes appear like this. These are the themes available in the computer. Select the theme you want to use for your presentation and click Create button. The new presentation will appear on the screen. Click to add title to type your title and click to add subtitle to type your subtitle of the slide. These are 3 different ways which you can use to create new presentation. Next one is how to insert shape effects in presentation. To insert the shape effect in your presentation, follow the given step. Double click on the shape to select it. The Format tab open. In Shape Style group, click Shape Effect. When you click Shape Effect, a list of options appears. Click right arrow of any option. A list of different shape appears. Select and click the shape effect you want to add in your presentation. Next one is how to insert shape style. To insert shape style, follow the given step. First one is double click on the image to select it. Format tab opens. Click shape style. From shape styles group and click more option. A list of different shape styles appear. Choose the style you want to apply to the image. How to align the text or images? Align means to change the position of your text and image in the presentation. To align any text or image, follow the given step. First one is double click the image to select it. The Format tab opens. Click Align. When you click the Align, a drop down menu appears. Choose and click any option you want to apply. The selected text or image appears according to your choice, like this.